I made a decision yesterday that should have stayed in my notes app. Yesterday, I let AI plan my entire day, which sounds fun and futuristic until you realize that I make questionable decisions on my own. And now I have added artificial intelligence into the mix. So basically, I outsource my life choices to a robot. And honestly, by the end of the day, I couldn't decide if AI was helping me or actively trying to ruin my mental stability. So today I'm going to show you everything AI made me do, every terrible decision I agreed to, and why this experiment became significantly more chaotic than expected. Okay, so recently I've been seeing people online use AI for literally everything. People are using AI to plan their workouts, organize their schedules, give relationship advice, analyze their personalities. Meanwhile, I use AI mostly to spiral my productivity. So naturally, I thought, what would happen if I gave AI complete control on my day? Which honestly sounds less like productivity and more like a psychological experiment. I asked ChatGPT to plan my entire day from morning to night, and the instructions were very simple. Tell me what to do, tell me where to go, tell me how to be productive, and ideally don't destroy my life. And somehow the plan got weirdly personal. At first, it seemed like normal wake up early, drink water, go outside, very wellness influencer type. But when slowly it started sounding like AI had been judging me personally. So the first task that AI gave me is to wake up early. Basically told me to wake up at around 8:30, but my natural sleep cycle is scheduled like I have to wake up at 6. So I woke up at 6. Honestly, there is nothing wrong at waking up at 6 because of that. You can lie around in bed for 2.5 hours. But I didn't lie around for that long. For a brief moment, I genuinely thought my life was changing. I was hydrated, I had motivated myself, I had background music. I was becoming terrifyingly optimistic until AI told me to go outside. Now here's the thing, going outside sounds very peaceful in theory, but when you are carrying a camera in public, suddenly every human interaction feels illegal. I genuinely don't know how bloggers confidently do it because every time I point camera at my own face in public, I immediately feel like I'm filming a documentary that nobody asked for. Things started escalating around midday because AI decided this was the perfect time for self-improvement. It is a dangerous statement in itself. Suddenly, I was being told to organize my life, fix my habits, become productive, reflect emotion. And honestly, I felt attacked. There is something deeply humbling about a robot indirectly telling you that you are disorganized. At this point, I was trying very hard to stay committed, but the problem with letting AI control your day is you stop questioning your decisions. Like at one point, I fully accepted instructions from a chatbot without any hesitation. This felt medically concerning. And somehow I started becoming emotionally dependent on AI validation. Like if ChatGPT said, "Great job," I felt a very positive vibe in me. By the evening though, things became significantly less productive lifestyle content. Woman experiencing technological assisted confusion. It's 5 o'clock. I'm done shooting for the video. It is about ChatGPT roasting me, and it went brutally honest. I'm having existential crisis right now. I figured out that I have something called as productive procrastination disorder. Because after following AI instructions the whole day, I realized something. AI somehow knew exactly the type of person I am. And I don't know if that's impressive or terrifying. Like, why did this robot understand procrastination's habit better than I do? At this point, I genuinely started wondering if AI is helping me improve, or am I just being professionally judged by a software? Funniest experiment is that I actually started taking the advice very seriously. By the end of the day, I was like, wow, maybe AI does, which is probably how futuristic sci-fi problems begin. But weirdly, some of the advice actually helped. Not in a life-changing, spiritually earning way, but more in a maybe I should stop functioning like a sleep-deprived raccoon. And I think the real reason is sometimes we already know what we should be doing, and still we just need a robot to aggressively remind us. So overall, letting AI plan my day was slightly motivating, mildly concerning, emotionally humbling, and weirdly entertaining. So this again, unfortunately, probably yes, because apparently I enjoyed giving technology unnecessary authority over my life. But if this video taught me anything, it's that AI may actually be more organized than I am, which feels rude. If you enjoy watching me willingly lose my control of my life to artificial intelligence, please subscribe, because there is a very high chance that I'll continue making questionable decisions for content.